What if I told you there's a hidden setting in SUNO that makes your songs sound more realistic and more professional, and all you have to do is paste the code? Well, I've been digging through the SUNO subreddit and I came across something crazy. This post by Antique Astronaut 46 called Max Mode is Real. This user provided a screenshot of SUNO showing something I've never seen before. It looks like SUNO beta tested something called Max Mode, which enables enhanced audio quality processing, improved realism for acoustic instruments, and better overall fidelity. But then they completely did away with it. But according to this user, CrowMagnuS, who has generated over 200,000 songs, you can trick SUNO into unlocking Max Mode via prompting in the style and lyrics box. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access Max Mode. So this is the post right here. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out yourself. But Mr. CrowMagnuS says to copy this into the top of the style prompt box, and this gets Max Mode to work. So we're going to copy that and go into SUNO, and I'm just going to paste that. And I'll also leave this in the description if you want to be able to copy and paste it yourself. And then he also says to copy and paste this into the top of the lyrics box, which is just 3 backslashes, 5 asterisks, and then 3 more backslashes, which sounds complicated, but it's really not if you just copy and paste it. And then he has an example of a full prompt, which I've copy and pasted here. And you'll notice he separated this out by genre, instruments, styles, and recording, which sounds really similar to the G-Mid formula your boy came up with. And if you want more information on that, that video is in the description as well. And then I made some lyrics just for demonstration purposes about Peter seeing the devil and tariffs and all types of stuff. So we'll paste that in there. An acoustic country singer-songwriter outlaw country type of song. And we're gonna do one generation with Max Mode on, and then we're gonna try one with it off. Okay, here's with Max Mode off.
Hey, Mr. Devil, have you seen the news? Tariffs and redacted files. The devil looked back, stood up and laughed and said, son, that's why I've arrived.
And now let's try with Max Mode on.
So Peter decided to ask him a question. Hey, Mr. Devil, have you seen the news? Tariffs and redacted files.
That definitely sounds better to me. Let's try the other generation with Max Mode off, just to make sure.
Hey, Mr. Devil, have you
Max Mode's still winning. Let's try the other one with Max Mode on.
Have you seen the news? Tariffs.
Okay, so far I'm sold on this. It really sounds like it works. But we need to check this in a few different genres just to make sure. I'm going to go to SUNO GPT, which is a free custom GPT that I made that you can get in the link in the description, which basically helps you make SUNO prompts better. So I want to go for something that's kind of like Linkin Park. So I'll just copy this for the style prompt, and we'll copy the lyrics. And just so we don't get confused, I'll call this LP Max Mode off. And now let's copy our Max Mode access code, I guess we could call it. So while those generate, let's try out Max Mode off.
I'm breaking out of the shape you made.
Let's try with Max Mode on.
I'm breaking out of the shape you made. I won't fade just to be your blade.
That one sounds pretty close to me, but for the next genre, I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to copy this format. For this one, let's go for like a classic rock like Guns N' Roses type of thing. Make the song about having to pee on a long drive. Let's try out Max Mode off.
I gotta pay, and the tank is dry. Next town's 10 miles, man, I might cry.
It's not bad. I can definitely tell that the cymbals just sound bad.
I know exit till the
But let's see what it sounds like with Max Mode on.
like a bad idea.
Okay, I can definitely tell a realism difference.
I gotta pee, and the tank is dry.
Yeah, it seems to be more panning in the guitars, and it seems like the cymbals sound more realistic. So I think this Max Mode thing might be real, y'all. But let's go with some hip-hop, like old school 90s boom bap, like some Biggie or Tupac type of thing. Maybe that's just because I watch the Diddy documentary. And fuck it, we'll make the lyrics about having to pee during a long drive again, because why not? And here's 90s boom bap about having to take a pee during a long drive with Max Mode off.
Every sign feeling personal, breaking my heart. I've been strong through a lot, but it's different, see. Man, freedom hit different when you gotta pee.
Funny how the smallest things test a man when you're stuck in a seat with a
Okay, the hook sounds fire, but I can tell with the rap vocals, the vocals definitely sound kind of fake, and there's a lot of high-end sizzle that I don't like with this. The beat's good, though. Let's try max mode now.
Yeah. Long road. Short patient.
Okay, already the beat sounds more realistic.
Cup full of soda, should've thought about that. Miles on the dash, radio low. Bladder talking loud like it already know. Ain't no exits.
So to me, what it sounds like it's doing is not just making it sound more realistic or more professional, it's also adding more interesting instrumentation and giving some variation to what's possible with your prompt. Like, it makes every instrument that's being played sound more expressive.
Should've thought about that. Miles on the dash, radio low.
So that's going to do it for this one, and shout out to CrowMagnuS for exposing the SUNO community to this knowledge. And if there's anything else you want to know about SUNO AI, let me know down in the comments, or I'm going to find the last remaining speck of dust after the apocalypse, nurture it to health, and use my bioengineering degree that I definitely have and didn't just make up on the spot to turn it into a human. Then I'm going to build a time machine, go back, and put that speck of dust in your nose while you're sleeping.